Hi, another video about jobs that anyone can do, aimed at people who want to go traveling and find work all over the world. So what is this job? Roof is a roof. I'm not saying you need to rush off and become a roofer, which is a very complicated job that takes many years to learn. What I'm looking at is this debris, this stuff off that big tree back there, which falls onto this roof and needs to be cleared. And then you can see some of it around that window there. I could get to this bit of the window, but not that bit, because I don't want to stand on those delicate tiles. But what I can do is get a brush and just get up here, scrape it down, push it all down there, over the edge, and sweep it up. And same over here on under these windows. And then I'll go down to those, I don't know if you can see it, but there's these brush things that are in the gutters. Take them out, you see, clear it out, shake it all out, make a big mess in the terrace below, and then it's done. Again, a job anyone can do if you're willing to get your hands dirty and do some what might be considered shitty work. But again, it's the sort of thing that people really appreciate and value and pay good money for and can't find people to do, and if they get the builder involved, it all costs a fortune. So it's what I think is very good work. I really get a lot of satisfaction out of it. I like to help people with their houses. What do you think? Is this the kind of job you could do? Just leave me a comment below if you would. Bye.